Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Hey, you there. Oh, you. Come here. Welcome to another video, guys. Today, we're gonna play Animal Company and blow up some little kids. I'm just gonna tell you right now, there'll be a lot of sounds and a lot of flashbang and all of that. So yeah, that's everything, and let's get right into it. Oh shoot, I killed that kid. Bro's about to get in. Yo, you there, green. Green. Oh, I just killed that kid.
Bro, what's that?
Down, he died. Well, that kid was trying to fight me. Yo, you! Oh, dang.
Wait, how did you go do?
What the hell, boy?
For you.
I don't think that kid even noticed. Yo, you!
Go with this.
How did he survive that?
Good job. He just nicked me.
He was low?
No, I'm gonna head this way.
Bonk.
What the?
You mind helping?
No.
Can I take one?
Just take one.
Wait, where's the rocket? You wanna get him back?
Why'd you kill me, bro? Please.
Yeah, you wanna get him back?
I was flying, noob.
Alright. I just bonked it. Oh, never mind.
Where are the targets at?